when that prodigal comes to his senses and returns, so you're able to lavish them with the love that your heavenly Father lavishes you when you repent, agree with God, and turn back towards your Creator to learn what it is that He has for you, to commune with Him, to have fellowship with Him. So it's like the blessing, I think, of our helplessness when we find ourselves in these situations is that if we become who God has made us to be, then when that opportunity comes, that you will have something to share with Troy Jr., that you will have something to share with Jeremy, because tomorrow's not promised. We have today, and we have two different people on the spectrum here of different experiences, and yet the testimony remains the same. You must become who God is calling you to be. That's the best chance for your kid. That's the best. You want to parent your adult child, your teenage child, your infant child. You want to be the best husband. You want to be the best father. You want to be the best wife. Become who God has called you to be. Take the time and the energy to grow in Him, the same way that you take time and energy to grow in anything else on this green planet. It all takes work and energy. But when it comes to spiritual things, we think that somehow that it just happens by osmosis.
Well, and one of the other things I would like to highlight is that for parents that are going through a separation or a divorce, and you're co-parenting, the family justice or the family courts, I don't care what state you're in, the family courts are not interested in your children. They're interested in is money, how much money you can give your attorneys and how much money the judges can make. The family court system is screwed up horribly. And so what has the world been preaching to fathers for all these years? What has the family court systems been telling fathers all these years? We're going to give your children to the mother because you're an unfit father. Whether you're an addict, whether you're a felon, whether you're in jail, whether you're homeless, whether you're jobless, no matter what your story is, no matter how unsuccessful or how successful you are, the world is going to tell you, Dad, you just don't cut it, and you're not worthy of having your children, right? And so I want to tell dads without any hesitation, your children need you in their lives, without a doubt. They need their mothers and they need their fathers. They need their fathers. And I'm not slamming, I am not dissing or taking value away from mothers that are single parents that are having to fulfill the role of the mom and dad in the family dynamic, because maybe dad is a deadbeat. Maybe he is in prison. Maybe he's an addict. Maybe he's not in a place in his life to where he can be the type of father that you desperately need your children to have, right?